Hey guys, so you guys have probably heard the new theme song that I have for my channel. If you haven't, go check it out, link in the description. But I am planning on starting a show. Now, it's going to be called the NJT Show. I cannot tell you the release date or show you any of the graphic designs for secrecy purposes, but I can tell you guys a bit about how I want the show to go. I also can't tell you guys about the date because still it has to be a secret. So I am really excited to announce that I'm going to start a new show called the NJT Show. And my channel is going to be taking a slight shift. It is going to be going under, it will still be called NJT 6212 Productions, but it's going to be under the New Jersey Transit Productions line because I'm going to make a whole bunch of, because in the near future, I'm planning on having a couple of different channels about different things. NJT 6212 Productions is my main channel where I do random stuff. I'm planning on also having a Lego channel and one other channel that is probably going to be an object show channel. Stay tuned for that. But honestly, I just have to say, I'm super excited to announce that that is happening, and I hope that you guys enjoy the show when it comes out. It is going to be a bit from now, so I hope you guys kind of just tune in sometimes to watch for updates because I'm going to be having a lot of teasers before the show comes out. So, yeah.